Welcome to the Market Outlook with me, Tillie Allison-Harris. The S&P 500 traded higher this week, up to $327 a share, only to see sellers come in and new distribution areas form. As we look at the S&P 500, we can also see that the market's traded below the area of accumulation identified last week, closing lower at $320 a share and 86 cents. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 and identify those areas of newly formed distribution and review those areas of lower accumulation. On the S&P 500 ETF Spider 60-minute chart, we can see that prices are trading at $320.86 a share. Newly formed areas of distribution above current price are at $323 and $323 a share. And up higher, there's newly formed areas of distribution at $326 a share to $327 a share. Should prices trade and retest these areas of distribution, we will likely see some selling in these areas. Should prices begin to trade lower next week, we anticipate below these lows that there's going to be buying between the area of accumulation $315 a share to $317 a share. And if we look at the 240-minute chart of the spider, we can see those areas of accumulation, $312 to $315 a share, and the areas of distribution up higher at $324 to $327 a share. So we anticipate that prices will trade within this range this week on the S&P 500. Over time, eventually, prices are likely to trade higher. On the weekly chart of the S&P 500 Spider ETF, we can see that the all-time highs are $331 a share to $340 a share, but not likely to trade to those highs this week. Likely, the market will retest these areas of demand down lower. And on the weekly chart, we can see that there is an area of accumulation down lower near $317 a share. So we'll keep our eyes this week on the 240-minute chart of the Spider and see if the market should trade down to these areas of accumulation, $312 to $315 a share, or return back up to these higher prices, $324 a share to $327, and even possibly attempt to trade higher. Join me on Monday, July 27th on Trader Merlin's YouTube show. Let's analyze the S&P 500 and look at those newly formed areas of distribution selling at $327 a share and those areas of accumulation lower, below current price at $315 a share. See you there.